Whoa, good morning, guys. Weather is very nice today. What are you doing, ma'am? Drinking water, enjoying the view? Ah, thank God it's not raining again. So, we just got done shooting aerial video of Royal Tulip Geulis. The hotel is kind enough to allow me to shoot it from the parking lot area. What they didn't know is my drone was powerful enough to punch through the hotel grounds. But don't worry, as you can see, out of respect of everybody, I didn't do any surround shot inside the hotel ground, just surrounding it, so I'm not specifically looking into the rooms. Could have done it though, but I didn't. You're welcome. So right now we're just making our way to the Zen deck. It's a very nice clear day today. Gonna shoot some panoramic video and see you guys up there. Wow. Thank God for a clear sky today. Whoa. So this is the view from the Zen deck of Royal Tulip Geulis, guys. Very nice, overlooking the golf course. Just right over there. So here we are, guys, at the Zen deck of Royal Tulip Gunung Geulis. It was raining all last night, so it's pretty breezy and cool today. And this is the amazing view from the Zen deck. Sorry, I forgot to bring my microphone with me this morning. I'm going for breakfast, so just got this handy dandy tripod. Nice view. We are just done with our breakfast and we're bringing this giant watermelon to the swimming pool. Situ. Even that way. Boing. 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 Wow. Lebih rame dari dulu. Everything you want to the box to the left. Oh man, I'm gonna get copyright for saying that. YouTube videonya get copyrighted pasti. Iya, karena tadi Arik bilang to the left. Oh, bener, careful. We are at the kids pool. Watermelon has gone unattended, as you can see. Chilling by the pool, watching Erlin and Evan having fun. Good clear day today. There is another shooting today, and the victim is this giant watermelon. And that's the perpetrator right there in blue. Oh, it's still continuing apparently. We are still Sundaying in this family pool right here. As you can see here, I'm fully clothed, so I am technically walking on water right here. Oh, busted! Hello! Airnya lebih bersih dari yang waktu itu ya? Soalnya hujan sih kemarin. Hah? So that concludes our one-day staycation here at Royal Tulip Gunung Geulis. See you guys again in the next video. Wow, check out that.